Hey guys, this video will tell you every single wire on the RCA wire harness from Binize. This pink wire labeled AMPC is for powering up the amplifier. These two wires labeled audio out, left and right jacks are for your car amplifier. And this black one labeled mic is for the external mic. The green one labeled subwoof is for the subwoofer. And these four labeled AUX and video are for the video function. So you don't need to worry about never have chance to play cartoon in your car for the children. This is all about the RCA wire harness.